The Nissan Navara is a pickup truck that has been existent since 1985 and is currently in its third gen avatar. Now, the Japanese carmaker has introduced a facelift for the Navara. The updated pickup truck gets a whole lot of changes, and Nissan has also added a new top-end variant called Pro 4X. This is the first major update that is being introduced to the third gen version of the Nissan Navara. While the Navara is retailed in Asia, Europe, South Africa, New Zealand and Australia, it is sold as Nissan Frontier in North and South America as well as a few other select markets. The pickup truck features a completely redesigned front fascia as well as a heavily updated rear end. Up front, the 2021 Navara gets a new large radiator grille flanked by bi-LED headlamps with C-shaped LED daytime running lamps. Apart from that, the pickup truck also gets restyled wheel arches, tailgate as well as a tray fenders with better footholds. The LED tail lights also new. One of the biggest changes that has been made to the Navara facelift is the new range topping Pro 4X trim. While the Pro 4X version does comes equipped with off-road tires, other changes include backed-out accents and some orange touches here and there. Inside the cabin, the Navara facelift gets an updated 8-inch infotainment touchscreen system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a new steering wheel along with some changes made to the dashboard. It also gets a 7-inch digital MID that sits in between the analog dials. Nissan says that it has beefed up the rear axle of the Navara and also increases the truck's payload capacity. It can now carry loads up to 1.2 tons on the tray. The 2021 Navara is up on safety tech as well, and it now comes with a forward collision warning, emergency braking, a 360-degree camera and rain sensing wipers. Powering the Navara is the same 2.3-liter 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine that generates 188 horsepower and 450 Nm. The engine can either be had with a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed automatic transmission. Prices of the 2021 Navara facelift are yet to be revealed and are only expected to be out sometime around its launch next year.